Willow and I are so excited because it snowed a lot. My neighbor took a tape measure and she found out there was over 7 inches of snow outside.
Really?
And I think depending on where you live, there might be even more snow or less snow. And this weekend, we're expecting even more snow, Willow.
Yeah.
So I was watching online and I happened to see this really awesome experiment. And I thought we could try it for the kids. Do you think that would be a good idea?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, Mary. Wait. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Mary. Oh.
Oh,
Hey, Mary.
Oh,
Hi, Willow. Oh, it's snow. Oh, it is snow, Sammy. I like the snow. I know you like the snow. Do you know what I like better than snow, Miss Mary? What do you like better than snow? Bananas. Oh, Sammy, you and bananas. I love bananas. Bananas are really yummy. You're right, Sammy. Bananas are yummy. But for the essence of time today, because we brought the snow, why is the snow inside? Well, it's cold out, it's nighttime, and we wanted to show the kids and the parents some really awesome ways to play with snow. But you can bring snow in the house? Yes, you can bring snow in the house. In fact, Willow, were you shocked that I brought snow in the house tonight?
Yes, I also don't want to make a mess.
Well, that's why we've taken some precaution. What's a precaution? Well, a precaution is when we've covered the table with a dollar store tablecloth. Oh, yeah. But, Miss Mary, yes, Sammy, it's green. Well, yeah, it's green. But I like yellow. Oh, well, why do you like yellow? Because of bananas.
Oh,
Sammy.
Monkey's already bought the yellow ones.
Oh, well, I guess green. Because you're green, too. That's right, we're green, too. So, Sammy, you were saying we needed to hurry up. So Sammy, what we've got here is we have a pile of snow, and we have baking soda. Willow, do you see our baking soda? I'm going to have you help us out. Okay, and then we have this giant, colossal, way big, huge, what is it?
It's apple cider vinegar, and it doesn't smell the best.
Oh, it's vinegar. It doesn't smell. Well, wait, hold on. What am I supposed to do?
It's called vinegar. And you just... I don't want to get something in your fur. No, Sammy, no.
Oh, Sammy, I think you're being dramatic. Oh, Miss Mary, it smells. Well, it's vinegar. It's an acid. So, Sammy, what we're going to do is we're going to ask Willow to help with the experiment. But can I help with the experiment? Okay, well, why don't you help? Because Moms and Dads, sometimes the kids can help too. Why don't you pick which tablespoon Willow could use to put in the snow? That one, right there. All right.
This one? Ow!
Can you use this one?
Yeah.
Sammy. Sammy. Yes. Can we give that to Willow? Yes. Willow, could you get some of that? That's the baking soda. We're gonna put that in the snow. Okay, let's put it in the snow.
Like this?
Yeah, right there in the middle. Dump it in, right? Oh, maybe, let's see. That's 1. Matthew Macman always likes more numbers. Maybe let's do 2.
2? Okay. With this.
Okay, there we go, 2. Okay, so what do we do now, Miss Mary? Well, now, Sammy, we get to pick a color. Yellow, I pick yellow.
Sammy, we're all out of yellow.
Why are we out of yellow? I want bananas.
You used it all.
Oh, well, okay. Bananas start green. So do we have green?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we gotta do? Well, I want Willow to put some green food coloring in the middle of our snow. Okay, she's got the green food Yep, she got it in. Now what's she gonna do, Miss Mary? Because the snow is white, and I want to see what happens. Because I think this was called a reactionation.
Yes, Sammy. Can you sit back for this part? Because I know what to do.
Okay, let's watch.
So
Willow's gonna show Sammy.
We're boys and girls, and Sammy, of course. We're going to add our vinegar, or apple cider vinegar in our case, to the center. And it's
wow!
And bubble.
Wait, it turned the snow green and it made bubbles. Oh, bubble tree, I love the way you're bubbly.
I'm going to grab one thing because I learned one thing that will help this experiment out.
What's that, Willow?
Something to stir the baking soda with because it likes to settle. Settle means go to the bottom.
Wait, there's stuff down there?
Yeah.
So Willow, why did it make all the bubbles?
Well,
did the liquid go with the powder?
Yes.
Is that reactionation?
Reaction, Sam.
Oh, it's a reactionation.
Reaction.
What's a reactionation?
Well, Watch. So I break up the chunks a little bit, and while I'm stirring, I add more of this, and it falls
Wow! Boys and girls, did you see that? So, Willow, what you're saying is you put in the powder, right?
Yep.
And then you put in the baking soda. Well, that's the baking soda. And then she put in that smelly stuff. Yeah, that's the vinegar, and the vinegar's an acid. Yeah, she put in the vinegar to that baking powder, and I want cookies. Okay, no, we're not talking about cookies right now. Can I have banana bread? Sammy,
We
not right now.
We're not rotten.
Okay, so Sammy, she made a reaction. A reactionation? Yes, a reaction. A reaction? No, a reaction. Well, wait a minute. So, Sammy, did you like seeing that? Yeah, can I make one? Can I make one? Okay, well, maybe right now we can have Willow go and get some more snow, and we'll show you how to make your very own snow volcano. Oh, that would be so
I'll be
cool.
right back,
Willow, can you go
Sammy.
get some snow? Can you get some snow? Please, 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 please.
Of course, Sammy. Just stay right here for just a second.
Oh, cool. So, moms and dads, while Willow's going to get snow for us, I want to tell you some other things you can do to make it safe and fun to bring snow inside. So, what we did is we took...
It's fine, boys and girls.
We took a cookie sheet, and the cookie sheet has a dollar store tray sitting on top of it. We use a lot of stuff from the dollar store because it's easier that way. Yep, it's a lot easier. And it helps to keep the mess down. So we've put a tablecloth on the table to protect it from the snow, and then we've put the tray, the cookie tray, and then the dollar store tray to put the snow in, and then, Willow, could you come show us? We're gonna show on here, Willow. I'm gonna move that one right over here.
I need to get some more snow for Sammy.
Okay, well, let's put it on here,
Sammy.
and then let's teach Sammy what
Here's
we're
a
gonna
cold tree.
Oh, cold tree, the snow makes me shiver on a cold tree. You're right, the snow makes you shiver. So Willow's getting some more snow. So when we're setting this up, Sammy, there is snow on the bottom, and then we put a cup in the middle of the snow. And Willow's going to bring snow in, and then we're gonna pack it. What's pack? Pack means we're gonna press it really hard so it forms around the cup, just like this. Oh, does that make your hand cold? Well, it does make my hand cold, and I don't happen to have my gloves on right now, but we're inside, so it's not as cold as if we were outside. Oh, yeah, I like bringing snow inside. It's
Cold
kind of
tree.
fun. Oh, more snow. I like snow. Snow is fun. It is fun, Sammy. So, Willow, could you come over here and help us?
Of course.
Help us. Let's build our snow volcano around the cup. So maybe your child is not as comfortable touching the snow. You can use things to help them manipulate the snow. Willow's got a big spoon right now, and she is helping to build it around, and I'm just packing it. Oh, packing means pressing. That's right. Packing means pressing, Sammy. So we are packing our snow around the cup. Let's go ahead and build it a little more, Miss Willow. We should have put our gloves on. Gloves are good. Well, you have fur, Sammy. I know. So you're not as cold as Willow and I are when we're playing with snow. All right, I think if we do one more in the front, Willow.
Sammy, do you want to touch it?
No. You're right, Sammy. It's probably better if you don't touch it. All right, well, I think our volcano is built up nice and high. Oh, Miss Mary, is there any way that we could, like, make more bubbles? Oh, well, I think we could make more bubbles, Sammy. So, what makes bubbles? I don't know, you tell me. What do you think, boys and girls? What do you use that makes bubbles? Did you say soap? That's right, you can use soap to make bubbles. Oh, hey, Miss Mary, yes, I saw some soap. You're right, that's dish soap. So, okay, we're going to put some dish soap in our cup. And then, we gotta do that powder stuff. Powder stuff. What's that powder stuff called?
Baking soda.
Oh, and she's using those things that you measure with that Mom uses to make pies and cookies and cakes.
Which one should I use out of these, Sammy?
The big one.
This one?
Yes.
The bigger the better, I always say.
So Willow's gonna put in a bunch. Let's use one of those and then two of the other ones, Miss Willow. Because we need a bunch. And then after Willow does that, we need the liquid. Right, do you remember what the liquid is? Oh, that smelly stuff. That's right, that smelly stuff. So we're gonna use the vinegar And vinegar is typically clear, but tonight we're using our apple cider vinegar. Now let's see what happens. Willow's got the vinegar. Oh, wait, we forgot the color.
Oh,
But that's a lot of bubbles.
look.
Wowzer.
Oh, that one's out.
Wowzer. Oh, look what happens, Sammy, when we mix it in. We mix it in. And then look at how thick that reaction is. Sammy, what did we do different? Oh, wow. What did we do different in this experiment? We added the bubbles. Well, did we add the bubbles or did we add something to make the bubbles? Oh, we added the dish-it-in soap. We added the what? The dish-it-in soap. We added the dish soap? Yeah, the dish-it-in bubble soap. Okay, so the dish soap, yeah, and it called a reactionation. You mean a reaction? A reaction? Okay, a react. Yeah, one of those. So, Sammy, that's so cool that you are learning about cool science right now by taking a little bit of snow and baking soda and dish soap and vinegar. You and your child can have an awesome science experiment. All right, Sammy, well, can you tell the boys and girls bye? Bye! All right, boys and girls and moms and dads, this is a great way to bring an experience inside for your kids. Maybe you don't have baking soda at home and maybe you don't have food coloring, but you can bring snow in, and just like Willow's doing right now, you can give them basic tools from the kitchen and let them scoop and let them transfer it from container to container, and that's all kinds of math and science concepts. They can watch it and they might say, oh, it melted. So those are great ways to learn about science. So Willow, are you ready to say goodbye to our friends?
Of course.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a great night, and we hope you have fun making your snow volcanoes. Bye. Okay.
I'm gonna do it more.
Okay.
Can I have some vinegar?
If this thing spills over, you're cleaning.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's fun. I used to do this all the time in the basement downstairs at Mom's.